Okay, Olivia, I'm now going to give you the slide controls. Please, can you pick them up right here? Can you click the square button?
Yeah, I can see it. Thank you.
Okay, great. The floor is yours.
So, hello everyone. Welcome to HiveFest and welcome to the presentation of GetBlock. So sorry couldn't make it yesterday. There were some technical issues, I guess. But thanks to Roland for scheduling us. I'm really glad to join you today. That's a great online venue, by the way. I've never had an experience to be on such a stage before, but it looks really cool. Well, let me introduce myself. I'm Olivia Kenny, a Chief Marketing Officer at GetBlock. So today I'm going to present you our product and talk about our integration with Hive in particular. To begin with, just a quick question. Are there any developers or owners of blockchain projects who want to start building apps on Hive, integrate Hive, or any other blockchain to their business? Just please tap some emoji. I'm just curious to know because the presentation is going to be especially interesting for you guys. So please show me your reaction if it's possible. Yep, great. Well, let's begin then. As you know, to build a blockchain-based application, for example, a multi-currency wallet or a cryptocurrency exchange, an individual developer or a company usually has to deploy and maintain several blockchain nodes. But the process of getting your nodes up and running is full of issues and pitfalls and is rather time-consuming, I would say. So our team has developed a solution which is called GetBlock, a service that provides a fast and easy connection to a continuously growing list of over 40 cryptocurrencies nodes, including Hive, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. All of them are displayed on our website. The platform is quite user-friendly, is suitable for both beginners without any blockchain expertise and experienced developers, for all those who have neither time nor resources to run their own full nodes. So it means with GetBlock, you don't need to deploy and support all the nodes anymore. You can focus on your project development and the service will get access to all the available currencies automatically. Now let's move to the structure of the service, to its elements. On this slide, you can see the interacting process inside GetBlock. The service supports such APIs as REST, JSON RPC, and WebSockets, which facilitates the whole process of building decentralized applications. The good thing here is that you don't need to learn how to code in each blockchain. And when it comes to Hive, GetBlock provides instant access to its nodes over HTTPS. So as you see, this is how the process of interaction and connection looks like. On the next slide, you can see exactly how GetBlock integrates with Hive. Our users can connect the Hive nodes to the application using a fully compliant JSON RPC API method. And GetBlock guarantees a fast and stable connection to Hive nodes by providing a turnkey infrastructure solution so that a developer can easily integrate the Hive technology to the project without worrying about troubleshooting, network updates, and constant syncing. In addition, specification and parameters for the Hive node are displayed in real time, and you can always find them on our website. Well, to start using the service, you have to register an account and receive an API key, a unique identifier that authenticates requests associated with your project. And this API key will be displayed on the dashboard together with the statistics such as available requests, bandwidth usage, and most common API methods. All the necessary documentation that helps to get started with GetBlock and authenticate with an API key is provided in the user account. Once you've registered an account, navigate to your dashboard and you will see an API key created for you, and you can test it by sending a request inside the terminal. On the slide, you can see the example of how to make a JSON RPC request over URL when you're interacting with Hive data. And now that you're starting issuing requests, your dashboard will start gathering the info on the Hive node performance and API usage. From here, let's see what are the advantages of using GetBlock over running the nodes yourself. Basically, running and maintaining your own nodes is quite expensive, as you have to invest in hardware, electricity, and bandwidth. It requires extra disk space due to synchronization of the blockchain, and it is extremely time-consuming. We can see that when it comes to business and nodes, DIY is not worth the trouble. And that's why most of the companies that have chosen blockchain as the direction of their business development turn to the specialized blockchain service providers to set up nodes. And GetBlock gives you access to full nodes, requires minutes for integration, and provides reliability. There is no need to waste your time on day-to-day updates, fixing bugs, constant syncing, equipment failures, and so on. Just leave this headache to us, as we are obviously used to it, and focus on building apps. So you've seen the advantages of using a nodes provider, but the question is why to choose GetBlock and how is it different from other node service providers? Commonly, node service providers offer access only to the Ethereum node, but we also provide connection to over 40 other blockchain nodes of top-ranked cryptocurrencies in one space, which allows developers to build apps of any kind instead of using various services and maintaining complex infrastructures. If your application needs support for other blockchains or services, just let us know and we can negotiate and run custom infrastructure for you. Our pricing system is structured in a way that you can buy packages or requests. And the difference here is that the purchase requests do not have an expiration date. It means that the unused requests are automatically transferred to the next month. Also, the enterprises have an option to pay by invoice. Our project was practically launched about 6 months ago, and since then we have been actively growing and adding support to various cryptocurrencies. And over the past few months, we have teamed up with some of the industry-leading blockchain projects, including a leading Ethereum software company, Consensus, the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange, Swinburne University of Technology in Melbourne. GetBlock is also listed as a partner and a top API provider on the websites of high-ranked cryptocurrencies such as Hive, of course, Ethereum Classic, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Gigabyte, and so on. Both Hive and GetBlock teams will be working upon this partnership to empower developers building on Hive who will be able to easily take their blockchain application from testing to launching with reliable access to Hive. Thus, we come to the end of our presentation. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy it. And of course, I want to say special thanks to the Hive team, to Roland for all the preparations and help. Great job. If you have any questions, guys, you can always communicate with us via our social media. I mentioned our Twitter account here at the bottom of the slide. Also, if you have any questions about our service, custom solution inquiries, want to team up or leave feedback, you can always write to our email. You can see it at the bottom of the slide as well. So thank you. Yeah. I don't know. I think maybe we are run out of time a bit, so I think I can just get off the stage, and those who want to communicate with me, please come up. I will be glad to answer your questions. So thank you.